I want you to think of a city with buildings, some big and some small, with roads that connect to different parts of the city and the people that live in it. Now, what if I told you that there was a city thriving inside your very mouth, that your teeth were the buildings, your tongue was the road, and the inhabitants were microbes? What I'm talking about is the oral microbiome, which is the community of bacteria, viruses, and fungi that live inside your mouth. The good microbes help you in digesting your food, provide essential vitamins, and help keep the bad microbes in check. Recent research shows that your health is not just about the health of your human cells, but also about the health of this microbial community. And so, when you get sick, your microbiome can get sick, and vice versa. One of the most prevalent metabolic diseases that affects close to 900 million people worldwide and 25% of adults in the UAE is obesity. My research looks at how the oral microbiome changes in obesity, and here's how we did it. We collected mouthwash samples from healthy weight and obese Emirati adults. We extracted the DNA from these samples and then sequenced it. DNA is the language of all living organisms. And by decoding it from these microbes, you were able to figure out what microbes are present and what they're doing. We found that in obesity, the oral microbiome shrinks and has less of the beneficial bacteria and more of the harmful ones. These harmful microbes love acidic environments, and we found that in obesity, fermentation pathways that produce lots of acids are more active. But it doesn't end there. We found that in obesity, these bad microbes are likely increasing the levels of fats or triglycerides in the blood of obese participants. This is remarkable because we know that higher levels of fats in the blood increase the risk of developing heart disease. My research shows that in obesity, the microbiome does get sick, and that has a negative impact on the health of the host. So here's what we do about it. The next time you're at the doctor's office, you can leave a mouthwash sample. We can analyze it, and we can figure out what good bacteria you are missing and what bad bacteria might be taking over. From there, we can cultivate a combination of microbes in the lab that would restore the proper function of the microbiome and rid it of the bad actors. These microbes can conveniently be packaged in a form of a tablet that you can take whenever needed. And the best part, because you're not consuming any drugs or chemicals that are foreign to your body, you don't even have to worry about any side effects. Thank you.